Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening TikTok Ads Manager and linking a business account. This gives you ad tools and billing access. Once done, pick a clear objective traffic if you need clicks, conversions to track sales, app install for mobile growth because objective guides optimization. Next, define campaign budget type, daily or lifetime, and set an amount that matches your test plan. Also, make sure billing and pixel installation are ready so you can measure performance from the first ad. You'll now build an ad group inside your campaign, and this is where targeting and delivery live. First, install the TikTok Pixel or SDK and define the conversion event so optimization has data to learn from. Then choose placements and devices, set schedule and budget for the ad group, and pick a bid strategy, lowest cost or target cost, depending on your goals. Finally, layer audience settings, demographics, interests, or lookalike and custom lists. This makes sure your creative reaches the right people. You now assemble the creative. Upload vertical video in 9:16 ratio, add captions and a clear CTA, and create 2-3 variants for a /B testing because creative lifts matter most. Once ready, review previews, submit the ad, and monitor early metrics for 24 to 72 hours to let optimization stabilize. If things go wrong, check the pixel and event firing, ensure audience size isn't too small, raise bids if under-delivering, and read any policy rejection notes to fix issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.